approximating decimals. How do I approximate decimals? It's too easy. Remember, you have seen this before. 5 or more, raise the score. 4 or less, leave the mess. This will help you to approximate decimals. Let us approximate all these decimals to the nearest tenth. So 0 is in the tenths, so I will put my door. Who is that knocking my door? This is 5 or more. Raise the score. It's more than 5, so the number will be 5.1. Approximate the next one to the nearest tenth. Who is that knocking my door? 5 or more, raise the score. It's 4 less than 5, so it will stay the same. 3/10. Here I will put my door. Who is that knocking? It's 9, so it will raise up to 2.5. Approximating this number to the nearest tenths behind the door is 7. 7 will raise the score to 12.1. This one, the 6 is knocking on the door, so 6 will give 9 1. It will be 10. 0 or carry up 1, it will be 2, or 19 by removing the decimal. 19 will be 22.0. Here, who is knocking? 7. 7 is greater than 5. It will give 1 1, so it will be 300.2. Go to the next one, to the nearest hundredths, but remember, who is that knocking on my back door? 5 or more, rate the score. So here, approximate to the nearest hundredths. So where is the hundredths? It's 0. So I will put my door so that who is knocking after the hundredths place, which is 0? It's 2. 2 is less than 5, so it will remain the same. 6.70 or 6 7/10. Here, who is that knocking? It's an 8. It will raise up to 1.76 or 1 76/100. Next one, I will get my door up. This is 5. It will raise the score to 21 79/100. It will be 21 80/100. Here, to the nearest hundredths, knocking on my door, it's 2 less than 5, so it will stay the same. 0.74 or 74/100. In the last example, I will get my door up. Behind the door is 8. 8, it will raise it up, so it will be 1.98 or 1 89. If you ask it to approximate to the nearest thousandth, you will do the same way. So here, where is the thousandths? So 8 is in the thousandth place. I will put my door. After that, who is knocking? It's 1. 5 or more? No, it's less than 5. It will remain the same. 98 and 88 thousandths. Here, who is behind the door? It's 9. 9 is 5 or more. Yes, it will raise up to 6.185 or 6 185 thousandths. Next one, 9 is in the thousandths place. I will put my door. It is behind, is knocking on the door. It is greater than, so 98 will be 90. So the answer will be 108 and 90 thousandths. However, or 108.09. So it's the last example. Here, the 6 is in the thousandth place. I will put my door. After that, who is knocking? It's 4. 4 is less than 5, so it will be the same, 0.086 or 86 thousandths. Thanks for watching and